Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what basically animation is and how can we do animation in Adobe Premiere Pro, I will tell you now. In order to do animation, first we need to have a video. So what I did first I went in project panel, and what I did, I double click on it and I imported this video. Now what I do, I will simply click and drag this video to a timeline, and as you can see that right now I have this video. This first layer is showing the video, and this definitely second is showing the audio. Getting me? Now what I do, in order to do animation, we need to go in effect controls. If you're not able to see this panel, so go in window and make sure that effect control definitely check. Click on it and definitely check it, and definitely you will be able to see this effect control panels. Now what I do, I will simply click and drag, and I will take some space because definitely we don't need this panel anymore. So as you can see that right now I have definitely this, and I have not applied any effect yet. Getting me? So definitely here definitely we will do animation. Definitely here we have the options for animations. So the first is motion, and second what do we have? We have opacity. So definitely for the motion we can change the position or size. Definitely we can do, and here we can do animation for opacity. Now how can we do? Let's see. What I do, I will click on it. As you can see that now it's showing me all the options for this motion. Okay, so the first is position. Let's suppose if I want to do the for animation for position, let's suppose if I want that, if okay, let's suppose if my definitely current time indicator or play is here, definitely after 2 seconds if I want my video there. So how can I do? Let's see. So what I do, first I will click on this definitely this clock, and what I do, I will simply click and drag, and I will keep it here. And in order to change the position of this, I will make sure that I have selected, or I will click on motion, and as I click, as you can see, now I have these options. Now with the help of option I can change the position. Let's suppose if I click here, as you can see that now I've changed the position, and I also have the keyframe here as well. And after some time, after I want my video here, then here, then okay, then if I want my video there. Getting me? So I click again motion, and I get me. So as you getting me, so if I click and drag, as you can see that now I'm changing the position. I'm changing the position of this video. And what I do now, I will mute the voice of this video. Okay, so what I do, I will just simply click and drag this playhead. As you can see that now I am definitely changing the position of my video. So definitely with the help of position we can change the position. Getting me? We can also change the scale of our position as well. For example, if I select this all, and if I say delete, so as you can see that now we don't have any definite keyframe for position. Now definitely we will use scale. So if I click on this clock, and if I click, so I can also change the position. I'll see, for example, if I click and drag, as you can see that now I've changed the not position but scale. Getting me? So for example, if I come here and if I again change the scale, or you can say again change the width or height, definitely I can also do. Getting me? So if I click and drag this playhead, as you can see that now the size of this video is being changed. Getting me? So getting me? So with the help of this we can change the scale. Means we can say in easy word we can say that we can change the height and width of this definitely this video as well. Again I will select this all, and I will say delete, and we can also do the animation. For example, if I click on it, and if I come here, and I can also rotate it in any direction. For example, if I click and drag, and as you can see that now I have this, I can change the rotation. For example, if I want to rotate it in degree, I can also do. I will come here, and again I will rotate it a little bit, again little bit, and I need some space. Okay, and again little bit. Getting me? So with the help of this we can rotate our, you can say, video. For example, if I click and drag, as you can see that now I'm rotating this. Getting me? So with the help of rotation we can also rotate definitely our video as well. Getting me? Again I will select this all keyframes, and I will say delete to come to the you can say original. Now if I click, definitely, so here we also have the option for opacity. Let's suppose if you want to do the animation for opacity, so definitely you can also do. If I click on opacity, so definitely with opacity we also have this clock, this watch of this clock. Definitely we have this clock, and I will keep my playhead here, and I will change the opacity, means now it is 100. I will say that it must be at the beginning, it should be 0. Now it come more, now 40 40 52, then more 60 74, now more, getting me? So with the help of opacity we can change the brightness, or you can say the visibility. So if I play this, so at the beginning it will give little bit opacity, getting me? So now we are getting that in a video opacity, getting me? As you can see that now we are changing, getting me? So with the help of this opacity we can also change the opacity, getting me? So definitely we can also do the animation for opacity, getting me? So at the beginning definitely you can see that we had just 0% opacity, getting me? So with the help of this we can also change the opacity, getting me? We also have the options. For example, one more option we need to see here, that here what is the work of this? Okay, definitely what is the work of this clock? What is the work? The work of that is that it gives you can say a keyframe. We no need to come and we no need to click on this. For example, if I'm not using this definitely keyframe, so what will happen? Let's suppose if I click on it, and let's suppose if I change the position. Okay, if I come to motion and if I change the position, okay, and if I come here, if I change the position, okay, so you can see that now it is giving me this keyframe. But let's suppose if I uncheck it, and now if I try to move this, and I have to come, well, I will have to come here. That for example, if I want my keyframe here, so I have to come and I have to click on this, definitely in the middle, definitely I have to click on this, and then it will give me this, definitely this keyframe, getting me? So for example, if I'm not depending on this definitely this keyframe or this clock, so definitely first we have to come in this, and first we have to tell the, you can say, keyframe. For example, if I change the size, now if I click, as you can see that now I have this keyframe. Now if I change the position, so now I will get the animation. So again I will come here, now this time I will give the keyframe, then I will change the position, again come here, give keyframe, then change the position, getting me? So definitely if we are not using this, so definitely we will have to give keyframe by one, getting me? So this is the work of this clock. Definitely we no need to come and we no need to click on again keyframe, getting me? So definitely if as we change the position, definitely it gives the keyframe to us, getting me? So this is the work of the clock, getting me? So in this lecture we have learned animation in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I have told you the easiest way to do animation in Adobe Premiere Pro, getting me? So definitely we can change the position, we can change the scale. Position means if you want here, there, definitely we can also change. Definitely it will change the position of, definitely it will change its position time to time, getting me? So definitely with the help of this we can change the position, we can also change the scale, if we can also rotate, definitely we can also do the animation for rotate, and we can also change the opacity, getting me? I personally like opacity, getting me? So this was lecture on animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedpress.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, Allah Hafiz.